calculator trick that will allow you to do multiple computations at once without going through the table feature. So I'm going to illustrate problem 48 from section 5.1. You've been assigned number 47. So in number 48, we're asked to find A, so the amount of money that will accumulate if we have $12,000 invested at an interest rate of 6% for T years compounded continuously. And for these problems, we want to compute the amount of money after 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 years. And the formula to find the amount of money that you have after a certain number of years when it's compounded continuously is A equals P, that would be $12,000, times E to the RT. R will be 0.06 and T will be the number of years. So we're going to go to our calculator, and I'm going to put in the formula. So I'm going to put in 12,000, so that's P, times, we don't have to put the time, you can just do e to the x, and it's going to be e to the interest rate R, which is 0.06. And if we just wanted to do one value, well, we could just do times 10. That would be 10 years, and that would be our value, and we'd have to copy and paste this multiple times, changing the value for 10 into 20, 30, 40, and 50. Instead, I want to show you how we can do all of these calculations at once. So I'm going to do 12,000 times e to the x, where x is going to be 0.06. And now instead of just putting in one value for t, I'm going to put times, and then I'm going to use a bracket. And if you see here, if we do control and then the parentheses, that's going to give me a set of curly brackets that denotes a set. And now I can list all the values that I want t to take on. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now when I hit enter, it will calculate all of those values. So you'll see the first value corresponds with 10 years, the second value corresponds with the interest compounding for 20 years, etc. And if we want to see, we can't see all the values. So if we click in the result line and then right click, you'll see that we're scrolling across. And so we can scroll across until we see the subsequent values. So this is the second to last value, and now we will be on the last value, and we'll see we're finished because we have the set. So to summarize, I'm going to go back to this notes page. So we can use set notation to use repeated values. The answers come out below it in a set, and you're going to use right arrows in order to see all the values.